What's up everyone? I hope you guys are doing well, and in this particular video we're going to talk about the 10 different things that you need to remember before coming to Ireland. So, starting with the first thing that please try to learn cooking, because see, after coming to Ireland, you need to cook on your own to save some money. If you are not cooking, if you are ordering some food from outside, or if you are taking the meal from some restaurants or anywhere, you need to spend around 10 euros per meal. And yeah, it will cost you a lot, because if you consider 10 euro per meal, then it will be 20 euros per day and it will be 600 euros for entire month. So obviously you will not spend that much amount. Instead of that, you can cook on your own and you can live with around 150 to 200 euro per month. So try to learn cooking, and yeah, do some practice at your home. And yeah, this is the best time to learn some basic items. Now talking about the second thing is that please sort out your finances. So if you are coming to Ireland, you need some finance with you, you need some money with you. So please take at least 300 euros with you in India only, and take a forex card, some good forex card like ICICI, HDFC, or any other private Thomas Cook or that kind of a forex card, and take at least 2000 euros in that particular forex card. Because anyhow, if you are taking a room with the cost of 400, then you have to spend more 400 for deposit. So you have to spend around 800 euros for that particular thing, and more upon that 300 euros for your IRP card and hostel charges and all. So yeah, please take at least 2000 euros with you in forex card, and that will help. Now third thing is that if you have power in your eyes, then please do a checkup of your eye. Because see, if you have power in your eye and if you did a checkup in recent time, then it's okay. Otherwise, please do a checkup. If there is a change in your power, then please make a specs the new one. And yeah, take at least 2 or 3 pairs with you, so it will help. And eye checkups and specs are really expensive over here, so please do that particular thing in India only. So that is a third most important thing that you have to remember if you have power in your eye. Now fourth important thing is that please take care of your document. You need all the documents in original form with you whenever you are coming, like your mark sheet, your other documents, and degree certificates and all. Do at least 2 or 3 photocopies of your original documents. Put your one photocopy at your home, and take 2 other photocopies with you. Also take a photo of that particular original document and upload it to any of the online drive like Google Drive or OneDrive or anywhere. Because if you want to access that particular thing from any of the location in Ireland, like from university, from your home, or from any other place, then you can access it directly from your phone. So please make sure to do that particular thing before coming to Ireland. Now number 5 is that please write all the emergency contact detail in one of the diaries. It is not important thing, but I recommend you to do this particular thing, because see, whenever you are coming, it might be possible that in traveling your phone might get lost, or you will not have a battery in your phone or anything. It might be possible that your phone will get stolen, or you will forget your phone in anywhere. So in that particular case, if you have contact details like emergency contact detail in your diary, then you can just use that particular thing. You can make the call to them, and yeah, you can just sort out that particular thing. I recommend you to write all the emergency contact detail, yeah, like your mother, your father, your brother, or any siblings, or and even if possible, then write your university's emergency contact detail in that particular diary. If you already book your accommodation or hostel or any other student accommodation, then please write that particular number also in that particular diary. It will help a lot. Now number 6 is that if you are coming from India, then please take your original driving license with you, because in Ireland the Indian driving license is valid for 1 year after arrival. So let's consider if you are coming in September 2020, then from September 2020 to September 2021, you can just use car over here, either by renting or anywhere. So if you want to drive over here, if you are planning to drive or anything, please take care of your license. Please take that particular thing with you whenever you are coming in original form. It will help a lot. Obviously, if you are coming to Ireland, you will move around in Ireland, and renting a car is the best option because it is cheap, and yeah, you can just go anywhere wherever you want. So please take your driving license with you in original format whenever you are coming. Now whenever you are leaving India, just check the weather of Ireland. If you are coming to Dublin, if you are coming to Cork, then that particular thing you need to check, like the weather of the Dublin or weather of the Cork. And as per that particular weather, plan out your transportation or anything. So if you are coming in rainy weather, then please carry 1 or 2 like a plastic cover for your suitcase. And for you also, please carry rain jacket, please carry that particular thing with you, or wear that particular thing from airport only. It will help a lot. So the best option is that just go on your phone and check the weather of city wherever you want to go. It will help a lot. Now, number 8 is that if you are traveling from Dublin to any other city, or in Dublin also from airport to city center, or wherever you book your accommodation, just sort out that particular traveling. Like if you are going from Dublin to Cork or Dublin to Galway or any other city, then just look into the bus services or any other things that are working over there, how much price over there, and how to book that particular transportation, and all of that particular thing you need to sort out before coming to Ireland. If you are coming to Dublin only, then also please try to get something like try to look into taxi, try to look into bus services that are there from Dublin airport to Dublin city center wherever you book your accommodation, and even sort out that if you are coming to Dublin city center, then how much is the distance from Dublin city center to your actual accommodation, and whether you will need any taxi or anything. So try to look into that particular thing and sort out all that particular transportation before coming to Ireland. Now, number 9 is that book your hostel. So if you are booking your accommodation from India, like any student accommodation, any private accommodation, any apartment or anything, then it's okay. Otherwise, if you are not booking anything, then please take care of your hostel. You need to book your hostel before coming to Ireland, at least for a week. And if we talk about the current situation, then you need to do a 14 days quarantine. So for that, book either single room in a hostel or any student accommodation for that particular period, or even you can go for Airbnb and you can book that particular thing also. So please try to look that particular thing before coming to Ireland. Sort out your accommodation for few days in Ireland, and yeah, after coming to Ireland, you can just start living over, and you can look for another like permanent accommodation for you before starting your university. It will help a lot. So try to book your hostel or something before coming to Ireland. Now, number 10 is that you might feel homesickness after coming to Ireland. You might miss your family or anything. So now, if we publish this particular video today, and if you are coming for September 2020 intake, then yes, only 1 month left for you to say goodbye to your family. So please try to spend some time with your family. It will help a lot. Try to talk with them, like your father, your mother, your siblings, or anyone. If some relatives are close with you, and if they are not living with you, then try to spend some time with them also. Try to go over there. And I know the time is difficult right now due to Corona. You can't travel, but if possible, then try to do that particular thing. Spend some time with your family. It is really important. Trust me, because after coming to Ireland, within few months, you might miss your family. You might get into homesickness or anything. So yeah, there will be a lot of people like you. You can make a friend. You can just move around, and yeah, people will be there to help you. And yeah, you can just talk with your family and on call or on video call or anywhere. But for coming to Ireland, please spend some time with your family right now. If you consider this time only 1 month left, so yeah, try to just be with your family for some time. Also in India, if you have good friends, then try to spend some time with them also, because after coming to Ireland, at least for 6 months, or even for some people for 1 year, you will not going to see your family, you will not going to see your friends. So please try to spend some time with your friends and family. It will help a lot. So yeah, these are the 10 things that you need to do, that you need to remember before coming to Ireland. And trust me, it will help a lot. You might feel that yeah, these things are not important and all, but try to look into that particular thing again. It might be possible that that particular thing is important and you forget that particular thing. So try to look into it, and yeah, you are good to go. So I hope this particular information will help you in order to sort out all the things before coming to Ireland. And yeah, do check out my other videos for Ireland. And if you are new, then please do subscribe this particular channel. I always create videos for you, and I always try to help all the people whenever possible. And yeah, do like this particular video, and I will catch you guys in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.